Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to pay contractors through QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one, we're not going to waste too much time, so let's get straight into the video. First step is to access the payroll or expenses section. Now in QuickBooks, you're going to go to payroll if you have payroll enabled, or you can go to expenses and vendors if you're paying manually. Next is to select the contractor. So click on the contractor's name from your vendor list, and if they're not added yet, you want to click add vendor and enter their details, including of course tax ID for 1099 reporting. Next is to choose payment method. Select whether you're paying by bank transfer, check, or direct deposits. For direct deposits, you want to ensure that their bank details are saved. Next step is to enter payment details. So go ahead and input the amounts, payment dates, and a description of the work or invoice being paid. Next is to review and send payments. So double check everything and then click submit payments or print check, depending of course on whatever method you want to use. A pro tip: if you use QuickBooks Payroll for contractors, you can automate payments and file 1099 forms in one go. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.